This is my new profile picture. I know mine too, but I drew this. If you like it, you can, I don't know, maybe subscribe, or then hit that bell, or leave a comment, or like the video, like my videos. So here is it right now. If this is your first time watching, you definitely haven't subscribed, so go ahead. So this is my new Ev. Last time I spelled it wrong accidentally. So Ev. Everybody do Ev. Finger. V if you're wondering there. Avatar. So yeah. This is my new profile picture right around here. So yeah. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.